Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing a quick sketch of a triangle and how it casts a shadow. So I would start with a straight line and just go like that. Actually a straight line and then this, and then you could just come around like that. It's a quick sketch, so it doesn't have to be perfect, but then we will also do right along that line a round shape triangle as well, and we'll see how the shadows on both line up or compare. So here's our flat surface in the back. So the light source coming from here, let's assume. On this one, it's a very easy task. So what you're basically doing is just filling out this particular end. And unless there is a light source, usually there is, but for the sake of a generic sketch in this concept, we will assume that there isn't. There could be a light from this side illuminating a bit of this, but again, the more intense light being here, it is definitely going to cast a shadow that is more intense on this side. So we go about the exercise in this way. So this is actually a little too close. So shadows can be lighter, they can be smaller. We will just go that far and finish it off there. That is the easier one. This one is conical in shape, so it has a cylindrical edge that is going to the top. So essentially the shadow is coming down, and I would also work a bit of it this way as I'm coming down. But this is the core shadow right here, right around the curve. And then I would also go and spread it out that way as I go to the bottom, because the bottom is broader than the tip. So the shadow will fall accordingly, and then you will, according to the basic rule of a round object or a cylindrical object, you will fade out the shadow as you go toward the edge there. You could have a bit of pencil work right there, just for the sake of having that detail. And then you will come around and cast the evened out shadow right there. So if I just do a bit of that smudging here, you'll see that I have faded out toward this end as well, somewhat. And this here I do not need to fade out, it's a sharp edge. And there we have it, comparison between a straight rectangle or with one with square sharp edges and one that is conical side by side. Thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe, keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.